Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap South Apopka local and long-distance movers near me. South Apopka has proficient local movers that provide relocation assistance for residents embarking on relocation within 100 miles of the city. We have conducted professional relocations to clients in this city for several years, and each successful completion adds to our experience. Today, our wealth of experience handling prompt relocation is our distinguishing quality. We know South Apopka's terrain and can conclude local relocation on time. Our prompt service will save you time and money since local relocation is billed hourly. Leave the packing of your belongings to our competent team. They will ensure none is damaged as they go through your house getting all your belongings packed and boxed up for moving. Long-distance relocation spans more than 100 miles and usually refer to relocation into or out of South Apopka to other counties or state. We understand the intricacies of this kind of move and have a proven system in place to ensure the safety of your belongings while we have them moved to South Apopka. We will ensure the paperwork for your belongings is done before the move. We offer budget-friendly pricing. We also have a storage facility to hold your goods until you arrive in the city to claim them. Our storage facility can contain all your belongings regardless of the number and ensure they are preserved. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our South Apopka moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.